Guys, in this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to work with Shopify API. So this is going to be the entire playlist where we are going to learn how to create Shopify API in your Shopify admin panel. And then we are going to look at how to access data from Shopify using that Shopify API in your Node.js or JavaScript based application. So this is going to be a very interesting playlist. Stay tuned till the end. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. So in this very first video in this playlist, we are going to learn how to access Shopify API key from Shopify admin dashboard. So let's go to Shopify dashboard and see how we can get the API keys. So guys, I'm here on my Shopify dashboard. To create the API keys in Shopify, you can go to the navigation bar, and here in the navigation bar at the bottom, you will find the settings. So let's go to the settings. So here under the settings, we are going to click on apps and sales channels. That's where we are going to create a new app which is going to give us access to Shopify data using Shopify API. So I'm just going to click on apps and sales channels. And here we are going to create our own apps. So I'm just going to click on develop apps. So on this dashboard, I'm just going to create a new app. I'm just going to name it my API key. Let's create this app. So now this app has been created, and after it's created, we have to do all the configuration. So I'm just going to click on configure admin API scopes. Scopes is basically where we define what kind of data this API will be able to access from Shopify. So here is the long list of APIs that you can use to access all the different kinds of data from Shopify. So you can give access to this API to access orders and products related data from Shopify. So I'm just going to search for orders and select all the scopes that are related to orders. So this API should be able to write orders, read orders, make edits to the orders, and do everything related to orders. And the next scope that I want to pick here is the products. So I want this API to be able to write products, write publications, or anything related to products. So I have selected all the scopes that I want this API to be able to access. Now I'm just going to click on save. So once you have saved all the configuration, we can go to API credentials, and to generate the API keys, we have to install this app. So I'm just going to click on install app and click on install. So now my app has been installed. The name of my app is API Key. You can name this app anything you want. And after the installation, Shopify has generated a token for me. So I'm just going to reveal my token. So make sure you copy this token and save it somewhere safe, because once you have created the app, installed it, you won't be able to access it back again. You can only access it while creating the app, and after that, it's going to be hidden for security purposes. So I'm just going to copy this and save it somewhere in my PC, and I'll be able to use it to access data from Shopify. So guys, that's all I wanted to cover in this first video. Subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos on this playlist. I'll see you in the next one.